Welcome to the complete beginner's guide of the Nokia 3210. In this video I will show you how to use your phone, how to set it up and how to do pretty much everything on it. So in the box inside, first you'll need to grab your battery inside. Then you need to open your phone first and you can basically see where your charger port is. This uses Type-C charger and simply insert your fingernail here and pry it open and it will come off basically. Then you have to insert your battery here. You can see it has these contacts here and you have to align them with the contacts here. Insert it like this and make sure it's flush. Then also you will need to insert your SIM cards. This phone uses 2 SIM cards, but you can obviously use only one at the same time if you want. You will see a small drawing here how to position the SIM card, and this phone uses nano SIM cards, the smallest, tiniest ones. So the way you insert it is simply slide inside this slot and push it in all the way till it can't go any further. Also you can insert your second SIM card here. Also in this slot you can also insert your memory card, micro SD memory card up to 32 gigabytes. Also, you can run either 2 SIM cards at the same time or 1 SIM card plus that memory card. Okay, let's close it back together and make sure it snaps and no gap here. Then to turn on your phone, you have to press and hold this lower button here, this white one, but at the end here, bottom, and hold for like 5 seconds and it should boot up. If it's not booting up, you actually need to charge the battery. It might have been drained while in storage. And you can release it and you will hear this Nokia tone here as well. So let's wait, and there is some initial setup. So we need to choose our language. So simply scroll and find your language. Depending on your region where you purchase this phone, the language should be a bit different. So don't mind the language I have here. Select the language you want, and then also you can set your time manually if you want to, but this most case will be set up automatically by your network, so you can easily skip it. Then select your text size if you want small or large, click OK, click again this to continue. It will basically tell you some info, and the phone is pretty much ready to use. If you want to access all your applications, you have to press this middle button at the very middle basically, and you can scroll here using this kind of joypad almost through the various apps. To go back in any menu, you can press this upper button here at the top. If you want to dial a number, simply dial your number and press the middle button to call it, and to hang up, press this. So very easy. You can also see your call log basically by pressing this button, and you will see your missed calls, and you can also scroll using again the joypad basically. Received, rejected calls, and etc. If you press this upper button while in the main screen basically, you can get access to your quick settings, so you can see what we have here. And also we can customize these quick settings by going at the bottom and clicking this go to options, click again, select with this middle button and then select options, and you can select and add more here. So you can basically select which one you want and then click done, save, okay. Okay, then also you can go click organize and click on the stuff basically that you want at the top basically. So for example, you can click on the torch, click move and click move to the top, and then go back and save. Okay, and let's go to the quick menu again, and as you see the torch is at the top. If you want to access your contacts, you can press this like at the bottom here, this joypad basically, and you can see all your contacts here. You can obviously add contacts here as well. If you want to send an SMS message, again you have to press this button basically at the side here. So pretty much a lot of things get controlled with this main thing, but you can click that and enter the recipient basically, and also type the message. Once done, we can click send. The message will be sent. Also, you can go to your all apps and find the messages here as well. We can see all our sent messages and also received messages here as well. Also, you can customize the order of these apps. For example, maybe you want to remove this game and like drag it somewhere at the bottom here, so it doesn't disturb you. Then select the item you want to move and click this button here. Select move with the middle button and then let's move it here and it's done. When we go again, as you see that app is moved somewhere very down where it won't disturb you. If you want to use a camera and take a picture, you can press this upper button while in the main menu basically. And you can take a picture again with this middle button. And the picture is taken. If you want to record the video, we can move to the right side with this joypad basically. And you can start video recording with this middle button. You can also pause it with the middle button and resume it with the middle button, or end completely with this button again. And we can even review the video. And let's go back. Then also we can do quite a lot of customization of this phone. So maybe you want to change the background. You can also go to the apps list and go to our settings. Then click on the personalization, lock screen background. You can choose from these wallpapers you have on this phone, or you can also choose from gallery, from the pictures we have taken earlier. So you can actually set up any picture as your wallpaper. So that's incredibly nice. Also in the same personalization screen we have another very nice feature, which is keypad. Click that and click speed dial. Click edit, and you can also set any button to basically call any contact and any number basically you want. So let's set it up. Input your number basically. I'm just going to insert something. Then let's go back, and if we hold this 2, let's set up, hold for some time, as you see it starts to dial that contact immediately, and it's very, very fast and swift. Also, after some time, after you don't use your phone, it will lock itself and you will need to unlock with these buttons basically. So you can click unlock and do that. However, basically I like to remove this function. We can go to our settings, click on the security, click on keyguard, click on automatic keyguard, select off, and this feature will be disabled, so it won't lock itself. And yeah, I find it quite annoying. Also, another handy feature of this phone is that you can actually turn on your flashlight with pressing this upper button. So you can simply press and hold this upper button for maybe it's 3 seconds, and you can also press and hold it to turn off. Also, if you press this button, basically the hashtag, and hold it for some time, you can place your phone into a silent mode. As you see, basically it's completely silent and won't disturb you. Also, you can press and hold it once more to enable this vibration mode, so it will actually vibrate when someone calls you, but it will be still fairly silent. You can press and hold it again to go back basically to the normal mode. And if you want to turn off the phone, again you simply have to press this button here at the bottom, and then navigate to switch off and press OK with this middle. Also, another handy feature of this phone is you can actually save quite a lot of battery, and to do that we can actually press this upper button to go to our quick menu basically and select this power saving mode. You can just select enable and turn on. What this basically does, it will turn off your 4G data, and that basically drains a lot of battery. If you disable it, your battery life will be hugely improved actually. But again, remember to turn it back off when you actually want to use internet and use your mobile data again. Well, I think we covered most of the most important things on this phone, so really feel free to browse around This phone has got also radio. You can listen without any headphones. You can even upload music to this phone as well, browse Facebook, internet, and yeah, there's quite a lot of things to do. Also, we can play various games, so very nice phone actually. So, if this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos about this Nokia 3210, then make sure to subscribe because I'll have plenty more coming. See you!